Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 fitness trackers in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To see the price and find out more information about these fitness trackers, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, it's the Withings Steel HR Sport. The Steel HR Sport is a uniquely designed piece of tech which offers a solid fitness tracker in an attractive package. It's also known to be a pretty well-made hybrid, but we'll talk more about that in the following sections. From a design perspective, the Steel HR is a slim and small hybrid watch that won't take up a lot of space on your wrist. The watch has a 40mm case that's made of stainless steel with a black bezel around the outside and a choice of white or black watch face in the centre. In addition, the screen has a decent size which comes in 2 colours, black and white, and lets you cycle through the date and a digital clock, your heart rate, step count, distance travelled, calories burned, alarms and battery life. Next up, to move through the features, you'll need to press a button on the right-hand edge of the watch, which is designed to look like a crown. While this does rotate, it doesn't offer any extra functionality to the watch. Considering the size and the design of the watch, you may think that this is a featureless watch which only looks stylish, but it's actually quite smart on the inside. Additionally, your step count permanently appears in a small dial at the bottom of the watch face, which works on a percentage. So if you set your daily step goal as 12,000 rather than the normal 10,000 default, you'll then find it'll hit the 50% mark when you reach 6,000 rather than 5,000 steps. Although you may wear this watch non-stop throughout the whole day, don't worry about any wrist fatigue, since it's really comfortable to wear, and due to its decent size you won't really notice that you have it with you. Moreover, the strap itself is much sportier than you've seen on previous Withings models, as it's made of silicone and comes with breathable holes throughout. To conclude, this fitness tracker is definitely a must-have, and if you're looking for an all-day use comfortable hybrid watch that looks as good as it performs, then this is your best pick. At number 4, it's the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. If you're looking to purchase a new fitness tracker with incredible features, we recommend the Xiaomi Mi Band 3, which can be your ideal choice that can fulfill your fitness needs. Let's get straight into the action and reveal what's so special about this product. When it comes to design, this device is available in black, orange and blue. Keep in mind that the only difference here is colour. All of them perform equally well. In addition, they boast a silicone construction which makes them suitable for everyday use, while the dimensions of the tracker are 17.9 by 46.9 by 12mm and the weight of just 20 grams, you really wouldn't notice that you're wearing it. It's worth noting that this device is a touchscreen, so you can put your finger across it to scroll through the menu, while on the bottom there's a touch key which you can hold down to activate features or press to go back. In terms of performance, this tracker as a health tracker does many functions. It can track calories, count steps, monitor your heart rate and register your sleep data, sedentary reminder and daily pedometer. All these functions are indications for all-day health management. Another important feature is the lithium metal battery, which can handle up to 20 days of usage. Considering this, we can safely say that this product surpasses many of the other competitors at this price range. What I really like about this tracker is that it's waterproof, which means that you can use it in water or in different weather conditions and it won't be an issue. My only remark regarding this product is that the screen lacks a bit of light, which means that when you take it out for a walk on a sunny day, you may find it difficult sometimes to read the info. Nonetheless, this is only my personal opinion, and it doesn't have to count as a disadvantage for you. Overall, the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 is definitely a must-have. It performs and looks premium at a reasonable price, so don't hesitate to purchase it. At number 3, it's the Fitbit Versa. The Versa is a unique piece of tech that was manufactured recently by Fitbit, so as you can guess, it has the latest features and trends, so let's have a quick look at what they are. Design-wise, the Versa is available in 5 colours from which to choose, and you can also purchase it with a small or a larger wristband, which I think is pretty cool since it accommodates different users. In addition, at the front there's a colour touchscreen with a brightness of 1000 nits, which means you won't have any problems reading the delivered information. On the left you'll find a key which when pressed will light up the screen and help you navigate backward, while on the right there are 2 additional buttons that'll allow you to pause, end or start your workouts. Moreover, users claim that the default band is actually very comfortable, but if you don't like it, you can choose woven, metal, leather or silicone bands, so in terms of customization, you won't feel restricted. Let's talk about performance. This model has up to 15 exercise modes, and what got my attention the most is the Smart Track technology, which will automatically recognize and record the exercise you're doing. In addition, Versa has a water resistance rated at 50 meters, which basically means you can swim with it without any problem, since it'll keep track of your swimming as well. For your information, Versa will track your heart rate and sleep 24/7, and it'll push you text, call and calendar alerts, making sure that you're constantly informed. Finally, I'd like to mention that the battery life is expected to last around 4 days on a single charge, so you'll have enough time to achieve your fitness goals. To conclude, you should definitely take the Versa into consideration, and if you decide to purchase it, this watch will ensure you have a most enjoyable experience. At number 2, it's the Garmin Vivo Active 3. The Garmin Vivo Active 3 has been in the market for quite a while now, and due to its quality build and many interesting features, users are continuously purchasing it. So, let's jump straight into it and see why you should consider this product. From a design perspective, this particular model features a circular construction, made with a stainless steel case which makes the watch look and feel premium, while its black body adds even more beauty. In terms of design, this unit is available in another 4 colours, so don't hesitate to try the one that's compatible with your taste. In addition, this model comes with a standard-sized removable silicone band that feels smooth to your hand, so you shouldn't feel any discomfort even after wearing it for quite a long time. On the front, there's a coloured touchscreen with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels, and what's so special about it is that it's glare resistant, so you can read clearly when you're exposed to sunlight without any problem. On its side, there's a physical button of which you can take advantage to navigate between menus, so as you can see, this watch is useful and beautiful. Let's talk about performance. The Vivo Active 3 has a long battery life. According to users, it can last up to 13 hours with the GPS turned on, or around 7 days if it's in the smartwatch mode, which is really impressive. For your information, the functionalities are also impressive. The watch will count your heart rate, calories that you've burned, steps you've passed, and offers a great quantity of both indoor and outdoor activities, which can be customized according to your needs. To be more precise, you can assign your most used activities to show up on the watch so you wouldn't have to search for them. Moreover, I'd also like to inform you that you can download and create workouts as well, so you'll never be restricted on anything. Instead, you'll be fully backed up with every possible workout you need. To conclude, the Vivo Active 3 is a must-have due to the fact that it looks as good as it performs and it won't let you down. And at number 1, it's the Garmin Fenix 5 Plus. Garmin Fenix 5 is one of these multi-sport watches that fulfills most of your fitness needs, and also comes packed with many interesting features and a stylish design. Speaking of design, the Garmin Fenix 5 Plus is a rugged watch for the rugged user, the kind of person who's just as much at home in a canoe as they are in the desert or flinging themselves off a mountain. It also comes in 12 different colour editions, and considering that colour is the only difference between them, you can choose whichever you like. Moving on, the screen is a full-colour transflective Garmin Chroma display with LED backlighting, which will be pretty readable even in bright conditions. However, there's a catch since there's no touchscreen available, which for some users may be an issue, but personally, I don't mind it. In addition, the silicone straps cater for wrist sizes from 163 to 249mm, and you can choose from silicone, leather and metal. It's actually pretty simple to switch the straps too, with probably the best clip mechanism you've seen so far on a sports watch. If you flip the Fenix over, you'll find a standard Garmin Elevate-powered optical heart rate sensor with 3 green LEDs sitting in the center of the domed metallic back. Next to the optical sensor, you'll find the Garmin Charge Dock, a 4-pin affair that clips firmly when you put it on charge, and comes with a cable that's less bulky than some other products out there. Speaking of sensors, on the navigation front, the Fenix 5 Plus packs a 3-axis compass, gyroscope and a barometric altimeter, as well as multi-satellite capability to track in more challenging environments than what GPS alone could do. For your information, there's 16GB of memory for your music and workout history, though with the auto sync over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth syncing if that's patchy, you probably won't even get close. Moreover, there's also an accelerometer for tracking indoor running and activities such as strength training, plus a thermometer, handy if you're pushing the limits. To conclude, if you're looking for a multi-purpose fitness watch that looks and performs fluid, then the Garmin Fenix 5 Plus could be your ideal choice.